All right, in this video today, I'm actually gonna discuss about Hyiplab. Okay, Hyiplab is one of the scripts investment website scripts that carries a lot of features from it. But recently, some of the ones that I've already nude, actually having errors, bugs. Since you install it, but at the end of the day, you can't make use of it. It always show errors, bugs, different bugs from nowhere that cannot be solved. But in this video today, I'm actually gonna take you guys really how you're going to solve this from the beginning to the end. So all I need first is just to watch the video from the beginning to the end. And if you're new, my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online. I create videos on affiliate marketing and some tech tips and programming stuffs on this YouTube channel. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the red subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for being alongside with me right from the beginning at this moment. So I'm gonna take you guys video on my system here on how to do this. All I need from you guys just to watch the video from the beginning to the end, and I'm gonna drop it. You're going to download the script free. I'm going to drop the link in my description below so that you download it free, so you're not going to pay for it, but then you're going to learn from the video on how you can be able to solve the bug. And one more thing is that I'm going to be updating it from anytime they bring out new updates, any version. I'm going to update it from the download link so that you guys will be getting the latest version. So all I need from you guys is just to watch the video from the beginning to the end in order to solve this. It's very simple. You're not going to take much time. I think maybe 10 minutes or thereabouts, something like that. So all I need from you guys is just to watch the video from the beginning to the end. If you like my video, please thumbs me up, and any problem you can drop it in the comment section below. Okay, right now here on my system, so I'm actually gonna take you guys video how you're going to do this. I'm going to take you guys to the direct page of the official website of the Hyiplab. So you see the latest version, and I'll explain one or two things, and then I will do the installation so that you guys should see it. Okay, right now here, if you go to the popular market, which is Codecanyon, so let's search for the Hyiplab and see, so that you guys will see it by yourself. You can see here the latest version is 3.9. so you can see current price is almost $199. That is almost $200. So if you try to purchase it, but then I have the nude one which you can install it on numerous domain. So from this video, I think I'm gonna drop a link where you can be able to get the script. You download the script. So let's go to the admin. Let's go to the admin so that we see something. Let's figure out something. Where is the login details? I'm sorry, I think I've all right, here is the login details. Let me log into the admin, and let me click so that we'll open the front end as well. So let me log in here. We'll log in. It's loading, and then let's check the front end. Right, sorry, my network is a kind of little bit bad. Okay, it has opened. Right here you can see this is the latest version. Let's check. This is 3.9. this is Hyiplab 3.9. that is the version, right? So let's check the front end. Look at the front end available right now. I think this, so you can see this is one of the best scripts so far for investment website. It has a lot of features. This is deposit, withdrawals, manage users, support tickets, reports, plan, managed staking. It also has staking invest, and then manage pool, which that is plan, and then the pool, you manage your pool, and then manage referrals, user ranking. This is the latest version right now. Promotional tools, and then payment gateways, and then subscribers, general settings, system configuration, cron job. Right now they have set cron job in one place, which you copy only one link and set your cron job, and everything will start running. The interest will be adding daily basis each hours you set. So you can see logo, logo, and then favicon, and then extensions, languages, and then SEO. You can see SEO, then KYC settings, notification settings, and then holiday settings, manage templates, where you can manage your templates, and then manage pages, manage, this is about, you can manage your section, and maintenance mode, and then system, you can check the system application servers and the caches upload, and then system css. So these are the latest features right now on this particular script here. So as you can see here, let's check the front end. You can see this is the latest front end right now. Here we have a lot of, you can see they have already enabled user ranking. You can get a bonus to fulfill the requirement, right? And then let me allow this. You can see we have silver, which bonus is $50, and then silver pro bonus is $100. You can see here. So right now here I'm actually going to go straight and install this nulled script on my own domain. You understand? So I'm going to do the installation. Everything will be done so that you guys will see it perfectly as it is done by me. So but then sometimes if you get a script self, you will not have like immediately after you have installed it, it will not work. But then in this video I'm going to take you guys vividly how you're going to achieve this, install your Hyiplab script, and the installation will be done successful without having any problem. Any bugs that we discover, we're going to solve it in this video so that you guys should see it. Please, if you like my video, please thumbs me up, and if you have any problem, you can drop it in the comment section below. And if you're not a developer and you actually need this script, or you need a website, I can create it for you. You can contact me. I'm gonna drop my number in the description below. So right now here I'm on cPanel. Here you can see I've logged in on my cPanel. Let me hit my domain and see what will happen. Sorry, let me hit my domain and see what will happen. Let me load Lost Tech. Let's see what is there. You can see so far nothing is here. So right now here I'm going to start the installation so that you see it by yourself. So first of all, hence you have purchased your domain and you have connected your domain and to your hosting. So right now here I'm going to click on File Manager. So click on File Manager. It has opened. It shows that nothing has been done into this. Nothing here. We don't have any files here. So I'm going to click on Upload, click on Select Files, and let me look for the script where I recently kept it. Okay, Hyiplab 3.9. You can see it here. So I'm going to upload these files here. I'm going to upload it. It's loading. So far as it's loading, you know, new update, as they have updated to the latest version, a lot has been added. So right now here, from once you know your cPanel details, you can be able to. So now it has uploaded. Let me extract it before I explain what I want to explain. If you know your user password, your database user password, and your cPanel login details, no need of you creating database and user. There's a place where once you reach at that place, you can just set up your cPanel logins and then submit your cPanel database, and everything will create automatically and it will install automatically. So I'm going to move this to the main domain. I'm going to move these files to the main domain. I'm going to move it to the main domain. That is the public HTML. So far I've moved it. So right now let me click on my domain so that let's see what will happen. Okay, it shows that composer detected issues in your platform. Your composer dependencies require PHP version 8.1.0, right? So I'll go back to the cPanel and then type PHP here, search PHP, and then select PHP version. Select PHP version. All right. So I'm going to change this to 8.1 and let's see what will happen. Let me apply and then check it and see what will happen. All right, so it has changed to 8.1. So let me load it again and see what will happen. Okay, right now it's working. So let's agree to the next step. Requirements check passed. View details. You can see everything has been passed. So we'll click next. So where I was actually explaining database details, where you can be able to put your database name, database user, database host, which is localhost, or database passwords. You can fix it by when you create your own database from your cPanel, you click here, my database. But if you have already, you know your database, sorry, your cPanel login details and your database, cPanel, you once you know your cPanel details, you are going to put your cPanel username here and then cPanel password, and then just write your database name, your database username, and then database host, and then create password by yourself. Once you click and then you hit install, it will automatically create for you. But right now here, I don't think I still know my cPanel login details right now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to manually create my database. I'm going to create my database manual, right? So I've created the database, and now I'm going to create a user and then password, right? Then I've copied, and then let's go back to this place here. Let me paste the password before I forgot. Okay, database password, I'm going to paste it here, and then here should be localhost. So let's go back where, then create user. All right, he's done, right? And then you have, this is very important, you make sure you add user to database. You have to click add, and then make sure you manage your users, and then all privileges, then make changes. So right now I'm going to copy the database here. You can see user and the database is same thing, so no need of copying this one and copying this one again. So let's paste it here. Let's paste it, and then I'm going to set my password, sorry, my user, my admin username, and then password as well, and then put my email. I'm going to fix my email here and then hit install. So let's see what will happen. Okay, your system has been installed successful. So right now here, let me click on the side. Let's see what will happen. So right now, it shows that the installation was done successful, but it's not working. It's not working at all. Okay, so let's go back. I'm just doing this. I want you guys to just pay attention and understand this. This is very important. So let's go to this. So we have to delete this install files. We have to delete it. Let's delete it. Delete, and then let's load it again and see what will happen. Sorry guys, let's load it again and see what will happen. It's very important. It shows that it's not working anymore, because after the installation it's not working anymore. So what you're going to do is that, I just want you guys to understand something here. We click here, let's go to incognito mode and see what will happen. Let's click install. Sorry, let me just load the site. Let's see what will happen. Sorry, it's loading. It's not working. So this is how you're going to solve this. You understand? This is how you're going to solve this. This is why I say you guys should pay attention, so that you understand this very well, clearly, so that you will not come and be asking me question in my DM about how to solve this. I'm seeing error here. First of all, you have to click on core. You click on core and then come to this .env. That is your environment, right? Then you click edit. So you see the files are here. You can see here where my database user and the database and the password. So right now here, I'm going to copy these files. I'm going to cut it. It's cut. You cut it and then save changes. Now you leave this space should be empty. You can see it should be empty. And then let's go back and then click on vendor. We'll go down, then you see PSR. These files, you double click on it, and then you can see log, right? You double click on it and then open .env. This place is empty. You can see this space is empty, so we'll click on edit. So we paste this code, the code that will cut on the other .env, and then save changes. So right now let's try to see whether it will work. All right, let's see what happens. Yes, that's finally load. You understand? You see, that's finally load. So this is how you can solve this issue. So right now here, this is an empty files. So you have to log into the admin and make sure you make all the changes. You set up your pictures, set up your website, change the name. You can see here now, right now here, the write-ups are not here, right? Let's log into the admin. Let me duplicate this so that we'll log into the admin. Let me duplicate this. Okay, admin, right? Let's log into the admin. So mostly, as for me, what I normally do is, if I get any client or any job, I use this script as back end and then look for another front end and connect it. Create my own front end and connect it. That's how I normally do, but it's just a piece of advice for you guys. So I've logged into the admin, right? So, and I want to show you guys something so that you know I'm not lying. This is version 3.9. You can see here version 3.9 Hyiplab. You can see the same thing exactly what we saw here. Exactly, I was talking about new features, which is user ranking and then manage pool and then staking investment. So let's check here. You can see here user ranking is here and all of them are here. Promotion tools, you can see the new features are also here. See them down here to this version 3.9. So here you can manage your templates. This is where you can manage your templates. So I normally use this template. When I want to connect different front end on this particular script. So right now here we have seen an error, which is template investor layout front end blade, and then closer tax also. Okay, this is another error arise from nowhere, but I can solve it, but this will be in another video. So let's select another team. Let's see what will happen. This one has loaded already, so you have to go and upload the pictures and the logos and the write-up by yourself. Everything will be done successful. You click on account login, register login. Here you can see as everything is working perfect right now. So if you have another template which you want to upload, which the template has been purchased from the Hyiplab, you can click upload template. And one major thing, another issue is that a lot have been having issue of setting up your payment method, setting your withdrawal method. So let me do it for you guys so that you can see it very well. Withdrawal method, you click on withdrawal method, add. So you click on Bitcoin currency. I'll just write crypt, and then I don't know the conversion rate, but let me just set it to 1.00, and then minimum amount, let's say $10, and then maximum amount should be $100,000, $100,000, yes. And then fee charges will be like 0, and then instruction here will be like make sure your wallet address, address is correct. So make sure your wallet address is correct. So let's make this should look so good. It should be in the middle. And then user data, you click add new, and then we select text, and then required, and then form label Bitcoin address, and then add. So once as a user you want to withdraw, you're going to fix your wallet address so that the admin can be able to send money directly to the wallet address. So it has added and is enabled. So let me go back, and you can see you can log in with MetaMask. Let me register and see what will happen. Let me register as a user, Lost Tech, and then password, let me say the password must be the same. All right, and then agree. Let's click agree. All right, let me just write, I'll just write anything here. we're just testing it so that you guys should see it. 6-digit verification code sent to your email address. Okay, I haven't set my SMTP, but I have already created a video on how to set your SMTP on this channel, so you can check it. SMTP verification on Hyiplab, you can check it there, right? So let me go to the admin and then verify it. Manage users, active users, unverified users. So I have to verify this. Yes, and then submit. All right, so let me reload this. All right, I've logged into the, you can see I've logged in now. So let me add balance so that I can try to withdraw, so that you see. Add balance, click on interest wallet, and then let me say $100. I'll be like free money. Okay, so let me load on the user. Let's see what will happen. Okay, you can see here interest wallet, which is $100. So let's try to withdraw it and see what will happen. Or we have to submit KYC, but let me off this from the admin. You have to submit a KYC, but let me off this from the admin. Where is system configuration? and KYC, where's KYC here? KYC verification, I have to off it and then off this because I haven't set them, but I'm just trying to to tell you guys how you can be able to add your withdrawal method, because most of you have been complaining that you can't add withdrawal method on this, you can't, there's no withdrawal method, how where to add withdrawal method. Well, let me submit it and then I've off it, right? I've not even, let me enable it and then go to KYC settings. I haven't set it. Add what, let's say files required, should be let's say picture, each elements, let's say JPEG, and then that's all. Let's go back to click on submit. There's one thing with this, because if you didn't set it and then you try to do this, to give you headache. Form data nulled attempt. This is new account. I don't want to go back and create another account to try the withdrawal method so that you guys should see it, but I don't know. So that is how, like, if you remove, if you off your, let me explain something here before I end the video. If you click on the system, once you have done with the installation, and then you click on KYC, this is KYC, right? You enable it and then submit, or you disable it. If you disable it, any new accounts that you create at that moment, you're not going to upload your KYC because I've already disable it, right? So you cannot be able to verify it, do your KYC at that moment, but you can make your withdrawal. So it's for those who want to put the KYC, which is know your customer. So this is how you can be able to do the installation, and everything will be done and your site will be working perfect. So you can see here, these are me, and you can see the features. And you come back here, this is user, go back to dashboard, you can see here user, deposit, wallet balance, and then total invest, refer earnings, total withdrawal, and then total deposit. This is all about it. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. I'll be looking forward to be updating the script. Any version that comes available, I'll update it and upload it so that you guys can download it free. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please thumbs me up, and this is your first time coming across on my YouTube, please be able to splash the red subscription button, click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this, free scripts and how to make money online in Nigeria. So thank you guys.